and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. UK Treasury reveals plans to regulate stablecoins, issue NFT. BitMEX lays off 75 employees after bank acquisition collapses. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed. Bitcoin stays above $46,500. Southeast Asian VC firm SeaX Ventures closes $60 million tech fund. Crypto miner DigihostTo offer Bitcoin dividend payments. ECB says digital euro won't be as private as physical cash. Intel unveils new Blocksale Bitcoin mining chip. Australian convenience store giant to accept crypto at 170 outlets. The UK's Chancellor Rishi Sunak has outlined plans to regulate stablecoins and issue an NFT in a bid to position the UK as crypto-friendly tech hub. The plan will eventually recognize stablecoins as a valid form of payment, the Treasury said in a press release. The government is of the view that with appropriate regulations, stablecoins could provide a more efficient means of payment and widen consumer choice. The UK's Chancellor has also put in a request at the Royal Mint for it to issue an NFT. Alongside these regulations, the Treasury will introduce a financial market framework to help firms to experiment and innovate and explore ways of enhancing the competitiveness of the UK tax system to encourage further development of the crypto asset market. Crypto exchange BitMEX has laid off about a quarter of its staff globally just days after dropping banks to acquire a German bank. The company, which is owned by 100x Group, has roughly 300 people on its roll, meaning the cuts will affect around 75 employees, reports said. Staffers were informed about the move last week. The move comes a few weeks after BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes, Ben Dello, and Samuel Reed pleaded guilty to violating the US Bank Secrecy Act and agreed to pay criminal fines of $10 million each. In October 2020, the trio were slapped with charges that they had illegally operated a crypto derivatives platform and violated anti-money laundering rules in the US. Trades in cryptocurrencies reflected mixed sentiments of investors amid economic and political uncertainties fueled by Russia's unprovoked aggression in Ukraine. The performance of cryptocurrencies was in contrast to the equity market, with major equity indexes ending up. Bitcoin continued to trade higher in Asian trades amid expectations of higher demand from institutional investors and also in hope that Luna Foundation will continue its purchase of the oldest cryptocurrency to meet its target of building a $10 billion reserve. Bitcoin was recently trading at around $46,600, up nearly 1.5% in the past 24 hours. Ether was similarly trading higher by nearly 1% in the same time period at around $3,500. Most other major crypto standard mixed. Dogecoin traded up nearly 4%, bolstered by crypto enthusiast and Tesla CEO Elon Musk's purchase of a 9.2% stake in Twitter, while Ethereum killer SOL traded over 3% lower. Southeast Asia Exponential Ventures, a venture capital fund, raised $60 million to invest in technology startups including blockchain and Web3. The US-based firm, founded by Dr. Supa Chai, will invest $500,000 to $5 million in pre-seed, seed, and Series A rounds. The original size of the VC's second fund was supposed to be $50 million, which was increased to $60 million as it was oversubscribed. Corporate investors in the fund include Central, Patana, PCL, Singha Ventures Corporation, Ramkhamhaeng Hospital PCL, MC Group PCL, among others. Last month, venture capital firm Gumi Crypto Capital set up a $110 million early-stage fund, GCC Fund 2, to invest in both equity and tokens. DigiHost became the first publicly traded crypto miner to offer shareholders the option to get dividend payments in Bitcoin, starting from the third quarter of this year. The company's first dividend will be 10% of its net income during the third quarter of 2022. Shareholders will have the option to get paid in either Bitcoin or cash. The rest of DigiHost's net income will be reinvested to fund further businesses' requirements and opportunities. DigiHost mined 186.8 Bitcoin in the first quarter, an increase of about 78% from the same time period last year. A new digital euro will offer greater privacy for smaller transactions but won't allow for full anonymity, officials said after a meeting of finance ministers from the currency bloc on Monday. No formal decision has yet been taken, but the European Union is considering how to tie payment innovations to anti-money laundering rules, both for the digital euro and private cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. The European Commission is due to present a consultation soon on any legislation that might be needed to back up the new digital euro, but has also been warned that an unduly centralized system could represent a honeypot of data for spies and constitute troubling mass surveillance. The European Central Bank will likely opt for a centralized solution for its new digital euro, raising questions about state snooping. Chip giant Intel has launched its second-generation Bitcoin mining chip called Intel Blocksale ASIC, which will offer miners more efficient mining rigs than most models available in the market. Each of the chips will have a hash rate of up to 580 gigahash per second and power efficiency of 26 joules terahash, according to Intel's statement. The move could help mining firms get on the winning side of the environmental, social, and governance debate that has long roiled the Bitcoin community. Various mining firms have ordered the chip, including Argo, Hive, Grid, and Block Incorporation. Australian convenience store and gas station giant On the Run will soon accept crypto payments at 170 outlets across South Australia and Victoria. The move will allow customers to pay for gas, snacks, and even a subway footlong in over 30 cryptocurrencies. OTR's parent company, the Peregrine Corporation, one of the largest privately owned companies in South Australia, will also be accepting crypto at its Subway, Oporto, and Smoke Mart stores. Once the system is finalized in July, it will become the largest business in the country to accept in-store crypto payments. That's all in the bulletin for now. Do like, share, and subscribe to Crypto TV. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching Crypto TV.